Matching problems. Suppose we are given f of x equals 3x squared plus 4x minus 7, and we want to compare with ax squared plus bx plus c. Then we see a equals 3, b equals 4, and c equals negative 7. Careful with the sign. Okay, next. You are given f of x is square root of 2 over 7x, and you compare with square root of a over bx. So you have a square root of 2 square root of a. So you see a equals 2 and b equals 7. Example 3. We have f of x equals 4 over 7x, and f of x is square root of a over b. We need to compare with this. We don't see any square root in here. We need to bring a square root in here. If you want this one, compare with these, then you say square root of 16 will give you 4, because into match exactly, then your a should be 16. You can see here a is 16, b is 7, because I'm writing 4 as square root of 16. Next, example 4. 30x squared minus 2x minus 56 should be written as a times bx minus c dx plus e. So we have some factor outside. So you have 30x squared minus 2x minus 56. You understand we can factor out 2 from here. So this I show you. Look at 30x squared minus 2x minus 56. You can factor out 2 and then divide each term by 2. You get 15x squared minus x minus 28. Now we need to factor this trinomial, negative 21x and positive 20x, and when you add them you get negative x. So this one gives me the equivalent form of this. Now if you apply the grouping and then factor everything, you end up with this. Now this one, if you match with the given form, then we can see my a is 2, b is 5, c is 7 because it's matching with the sign, d is 3, and e equals 4. So you write all these answers in here. I'm taking slightly different so that the same problem I have, but now I need to write as this. So no factor outside. We have ax minus b and then cx plus d form, no factor outside. So you see how we deal with this one. I have this form, so let me factor inside as a trinomial. So you have seen from previous one that it should give me 5x minus 7 times 3x plus 4. Now since I do not have any factor outside, so I need to distribute these two either in this form or this form. I'm showing in the first one. So when you distribute 2, that will give you 10 here and 14 in here, like that. Now this one has perfect matching. Your a is 10, b is 14, c equals 3, and d equals 4. And we are done.